Okay, so these are our days of the week, and I want you to find what day today is. Perfect.
Monday. Welcome to Learning League.
Hi guys, I just wanted to show you our morning baskets. This is the first time that we've done this, so a lot of this stuff is new to Sophia. So this is the stuff, the first time you've seen her do this is the first time she's ever come in contact with these items. She's done things like them before, but this is our morning basket routine and what we have. So the first thing we have is our journal. We're going to start journaling every day. She's going to start writing her thoughts, her feelings, words, just things that she wants to write. So that we'll do that every morning. And this is in no particular order. This is the book that we're doing this week. I is one of her words. So I'm trying to have her identify all the I's in the book and learn how to read this. So I love you, Mommy. These I used to use with our toddlers to tell colors and learn colors, and I am going to switch it to learning Spanish. So Sophia will now learn all of her colors in Spanish. So we'll do that. This I found at the Dollar Tree. A lot of these things I find at the Dollar Tree to put in the morning baskets and switch up as well. This, as you can see, is just like a things to remember, but we're going to use it as a way to remember and learn our days of the week. And then she's going to write down what she is going to learn or wants to learn, or just things for the day. So we'll say that what day it is and then what she's going to learn, and then we'll also recite all of the days of the week. And this is also a dry erase, so we can erase it every day. So that I thought was a really cool Dollar Tree find. She's going to work on some cutting practice. She does really well with scissors, but this is a way for her to kind of get some edges. Should work on that. These two books we found at the Dollar Tree. One was a gift from her grandparents, and one I found. And these workbooks, she's just going to do a page a day. And this one is beginning sounds, and so we're working a lot on reading and sight words. So I found this, I thought this would be a really good activity. So there's that. The colors and shapes, she kind of already knows those. She's already done a few of these. She knows all of her colors. She knows all of her shapes. As you can see, she's already done some of these. But this is a good way for her to get to pick what she gets to do, and also for just the writing practice of each one of them. And following directions. She may know that this is a white page, but we can go through, okay, color the hen white. So she reads the directions and knows what to do. So this is a really good kind of practice sheet for her. So there's that. These are her sight words that we're going to work on this week. We will change them up as soon as she kind of learns them and is familiar. I did this sheet as she's going to say the word, write the word, maybe once or a couple of times. And then we're going to talk about what sentence that word is in. And then just extra paper and pens for her to draw at the end of our morning time. This bin came from the Dollar Tree. We've used it for a lot of different things and activities. And so that is our morning basket. Write down below what you guys have if you're doing a morning basket this year and what you have in yours. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys.